Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how you can make your flash disk into bootable USB, where your flash disk will be used as a bootable device in order to boot from the computer when you need to install a new Windows or a new operating system instead of using CD. We are going to use the software which is the software called Rufus. Is this, you see, this one, and then I'm going to show you how you can browse the image. Here what you need to have is the image of operating system and the flash you are going to use. Then here you have a USB disk or USB flash disk which has 8 GB, and then I'm going to browse here the image of the operating system. I'm going to make it as a bootable operating system, and then here I'm going to use this one. Those are the images I have on my computer. Then okay, you see here, you see it is NTFS, means new technology file system, will be used in this operating system, and this flash disk is formatted, will be formatted into NTFS, and then here you are going to click start. It means our process is ready to start. Then click start. Okay, you see here it is requesting the disk access. Okay, here you have 12 tasks. It is starting to copy the ISO files. Okay, here it is already done. It means our flash disk is ready to use as boot device or bootable USB. You see, here it has windows. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I wish you a happy moment.